Hey guys, this is Sharon here from 24/7 Techie, and this is a different one, a tutorial type of a thing where I will show you how to process your raw photos from your Redmi Note 9 Pro or any new phones. So Realme 6 Pro, Poco X2 and many other phones have started to support RAW mode. So over here we can see that RAW is enabled, and here we can see photos that are RAW supported. So RAW. So a lot of photos that are RAW supported. So we will edit one of them. So I think we will edit this one. So when we import a raw photo for the first time, Snapseed will show us this. We can play around with a lot of settings here. So we can go to highlights and tone down the highlights. Go to exposure, tone down the exposure, or play around with this like this. Shadows. This looks good. I'm just playing around. Nothing's final yet. So this is what we had raw, and this is what we have processed, and we have still not edited anything. We have just processed the raw photo. We can edit a lot more in this one. Now that we have processed the raw photo, we can also edit this photo a lot more because it's a raw. So it does have a lot more data compared to its normal JPEG. So we'll go into tools, and we do have a lot of things. We'll go to the tune image. I'll just play around with the ambience of this photo. So as you can see, the photo actually pops a little extra when we do this. Soft contrast, hard contrast. We'll do into soft contrast. White balance. Just add a little bit of tint, little bit of sunset tint. As you can see, the pinkish color over here. A little bit of sunset tint, a little bit of warm tone, so that it does looks sunsetty. Yeah, you can use HDR. So this is the AI sort of thing that Snapseed has, brings it from Google. We'll keep it around 15%. So this is what we started with, and this is what we have. We will add the grain effect, the grain 0, and strength of the filter a little bit, around 10 to 15% again. So this is what it was, and done. And we'll export this, and this is how you process a cool looking raw image. Very easy, very easy to do it in Snapseed. You don't need to play around with a lot of stuff. We'll go and take out another image. So yeah, this one looks good. We'll just tone down the exposure a little, highlights so that the background is visible, shadows. I don't want contrast. It's a very good image, and to a surprise, it's shot by Redmi Note 9 Pro. Saturation a little bit. You can desaturate it also like this, but we will obviously saturate it. And tint a little bit like this. Yeah, this is what it came out. We'll just white balance as short, auto, sunny, cloudy. This you can use this as short, or you can pick something as well. Yeah. I'll just export this, won't do anything more on this, and now you can see the side by side of this image. and I will show you some more examples in front of you right now. You can have a look, and yeah, they do look good. So thank you very much guys for watching this one. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already, and please subscribe guys. Please let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see. I am open to all suggestions, so let me know. And thank you for watching this one. So this was Sharan from 24/7 Techie signing off, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Till then, see ya.